Hello everyone, welcome to the new session of Linux device driver. So today we will see what is a module parameter. So generally we pass the data at a load time in application and get that data using arguing argc. So likewise we can also pass the data uh, in a kernel module at a load time, but getting passing the data and getting that data into the module is different compared to the application. For that, we have to use following syntax. Uh, we just need to add the parameter name and its value at a command line, and to retrieve that value in a module, we have to use one macro called module underscore param, where we have to mention a name of that parameter, type of that parameter, and permission of that parameter. We will see that this parameter permission in later slide. We can also pass array as argument. For that, we have to follow this syntax. We just specify name of that array, and we have to write all values of that element by comma separating. And to retrieve that value in a module, we have to use following macro called module underscore param underscore array, where we have to specify name of that array, element in that array, element type of in that array, and number of element, and that permission of that array. There are two type of permission: read write and read write. So for read we have to use uh, s underscore iru a geo, and for write we have to use s underscore iwusr. And if you want to read and write, then we have to use this combined macro. These macros are defined in state.h, so we have to include that file also. Let me just show you that example. So we are in our sudo driver, where we have one driver called main.c. So as you can see, first of all we have to declare one macro, declare one variable for our parameter. So let me just use one integer called how many, and use that macro module underscore para, where I have to specify name of that macro how many, type of that parameter, and currently I just want to read that parameter. Right? This is all. But before that we have to include Linux state.h. We just print that parameter value so that we can verify whatever we passed, that module module will get. So how many equal to, so that we, that's all, underscore. So this is all. Let me just save it. So let me just build it. Sudo make all. So as you can see, our module get built successfully. And let me just load sudo chmod main.ko how underscore many and that was inside 10. Okay. Okay. First I have to remove because previously I load it and I does not unload it. So let me just remove sudo rm mode and then press clear or do this mode and get to the as you can see. Previously I have also loaded, so it is also here and currently I load at. So this is our parameter value. How many? We passed 10, so we get the value of 10. So same like that you can use array and you have to use by yourself, and let me just share result of that array parameter.